Hello, Facebook and YouTube. So initially I was going to post a video today, because I was going to build some frames for my wife, for her fantastic artwork that's going to be sold at the Tattoo Art Gallery, over wherever that place is. But now instead, because my day ran stupid late, you get to watch me make a sandwich, and it's going to be fantastic. But while I'm making my sandwich, I'm going to tell you about my day. Just so everybody is caught up, we need to toast these two pieces of bread. Probably not on the stove. Probably in the toaster. But before we do that, we're going to put some cheese on there. So I spent roughly about 3.5 hours down at Regional this morning pulling the permit for the job that I was telling you guys about earlier this week, or last week, about the framing and all of that, and how this dude fucked all of that up, and it was terrible. It was bad stuff. So yeah, but I did get my plans approved, which isn't terribly surprising, because I'm awesome. Not really. And then after that, I wound up going over to my folks' house, and I finished my dad's spray booth, which is very good. And I also installed a shelf in my mom's workspace, which is very good. And then I had to go pick up the boy, the teenage boy from the Manitou area, from the school. And he had a good day. He's out with his my hand model for the Xenon comics. It really doesn't feel like a lot of cheese to me. Maybe I need to cut back on my cheese intake. So then, after that... Oh, no, wait. I have some mozzarella cheese that I can use. So then, after that, well, let's get you down here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Oh, my God. Move that tomato, which is going to go on my sandwich. So then, after I picked up our son from school, I fought this string cheese wrapper for about 30 minutes. Got it. No, I had to go back over to my folks' house to finish getting all the rest of them. The material that I needed to pick up. Oh boy. Which I did. And then my friend Bob came over because the amount of material that I grabbed, or the amount of material that was left over from my parents' house was a shitload of material. So I wanted to get rid of some of it, and I did. And he wound up staying a little bit. Told me about all of the crap that was going on with him, which is ridiculous, because I guess his grandpa's not doing real good, and you know, like, he's having a tough time finding a job and everything. And I was like, oh, you should come work with me. You want some cheese? Come here. Come over here. Well, get up here and get it. Get it. Come over here. Tyson, do you want some cheese? Come over here. We'll show everybody what you look like. No, come over here. Over here. Oh, there it is. You want one more piece, Fatums? One more piece for Tyson? Okay. Go away. Anyways, so, what was I? Oh my gosh. I gotta stop doing that to you guys. It's terrible. What the hell was I talking about? Right. So, my friend came over and he told me about all the stuff that was going on that was bad with him. Mustard! And originally I planned on taking our son over to a art show that my other friend and his girlfriend, well, it's his girlfriend's art show, but they wound up going, or she had it over at Front Range Barbecue, which is I'm gonna toast my bread first. I don't want to put any of this meat on there yet. So let's put these in the toast. Oh, I gotta clear the toaster oven. So let's tip you guys this way. Okay. So yeah, they had a art show over at Front Range Barbecue. We were gonna go over there, and then my buddy came by and spoke his. Well, I mean, I kind of asked him about everything that was going on with him. Are you looking at my pastrami? Don't do that. That's mine. And here is our mozzarella cheese with mustard, and here's our other side of our sandwich with that's a sharp cheddar. So, needless to say, we didn't go over to the art show, and on top of that, I believe that it costed money, and guess who has money? No. So then, he came and grabbed some material, and then he left, and we got kind of all caught up. My daughter has been apparently very difficult lately. Well, she hasn't really been difficult over here. But she's been difficult over in her mom's house, sort of. She's been complaining about, you like that booty? Like that booty? She's been having a lot of stomach issues and stuff. And I guess she got to go to the doctor again today. Which was, who doesn't like going to the doctor's office, am I right? It will be the 4th or 5th time in the last month amount of time. So the last 4 weeks she's been going to the doctor at least once a week, which kind of seems a little bit excessive to me, but what do I know? I I'm not a medical expert. Oh, wow, all that silver paint came out of there. Look at that, babe. No more silver paint in there. I mean, there's still some plant matter in there, but it's a vase, so what are you going to do? Right, so anyways, tomorrow is, tomorrow's going to be framing day, and if I can get away with it, what I'm going to do is I will take videos there. I don't anticipate it taking very long for me to do, and I probably shouldn't say that, because usually that ends up being a mistake. And if not, what I will do is I'll do another stupid vlog video just like this one, because I told you guys that I was going to post a video every day, and God bless it, I'm going to try real hard to maintain that video. And if anything, maybe tomorrow what I'll do is, if I don't do any of the framing stuff, I will give you guys a kind of a short tour of the of the house and all of the stuff that we're planning on doing to it. More so, my daughter's new bedroom, which would be a lot cooler if it was done already, but it's not, because I'm a very busy person. I mean, kind of. Well, no, I mean I am, but it's kind of a pain in the ass when your job is, you know, doing home improvement stuff, and then you come home, and then that's what you gotta do when you get home. And it's not like anybody's like riding my ass about it or anything like that, you know. But it's still on my plate of things that I need to get done. Because I am hell-bent on having a Christmas in our own bedroom, because we sleep in the living room right now, which is fine. It's fine. It's not a big deal. But I just haven't had time, and my wife hasn't had time to really get, you know, like, get shit done in the other room, and it sucks. And I mean, we're kind of close, but alright, I don't want to drag this video on any longer than I have to, so I'm just going to speed this up. We're going to put in some pastrami. We're going to put in some turkey breast, and we're going to put in some chicken breast, and we're going to put in some bacon, which I have already prepared. And then we're going to do lettuce and tomato, and I got cheese in there, and let's see if everything's backwards. It should be right down over there. Like, share, subscribe, bell thingy, do any of that stuff that you guys want to do. I will be back tomorrow with something more interesting. Probably. Okay. I'm going to move this knife here, and I will see you guys in the future.